Transferring money from your Amazon to Gcash is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your money from your Amazon account to your Gcash. So the process is pretty simple. You have to, log into your Amazon account and you will be able to see, your amount, or you have to go to your wallet to check if you have some amount of money in your Amazon account. Now, the real problem, you want to transfer it to Gcash. How can you do that? So there is no direct way that you can link the Gcash with Amazon, but you can buy, the Apple gift cards. You just need to search for Apple gift card, and what it will do is it will take you to this page. Now you just have to select the Apple gift cards, and now you just simply need to buy either an Apple gift card or a Google Play gift card. You just have to select the amount you want to transfer of what amount you want to transfer. You just need to buy the card for the same amount. After that, you can simply link your Google Play or your Apple Pay with the Gcash, and it is pretty simple process. You just need to link your Gcash with either Google Play or Apple Pay, and you can easily transfer the money in between them. So that's how you guys can transfer your Amazon money to your Gcash. Hope you guys find this helpful.